Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to an exceptional residence in the highly desirable Ironshore St. James neighborhood. This elegant home, set on a quarter acre, features 7 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, plus an additional half bath for guests. The expansive master suite boasts generously sized his and hers closets. Enjoy sophisticated living with a dedicated den, a family theater room, and a stylish bar. Multiple balconies offer stunning views of the Caribbean Sea, while the luxurious jacuzzi provides a perfect spot for relaxation. Additional highlights include a two-car garage, a helper's quarters. With its superior craftsmanship and refined details, this property embodies the pinnacle of upscale living. Make contact today to view this beautiful mansion. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price for this house is US 1,150,000 or Jamaican $181.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.